engagement, mission, vision.
Okay, fine. So we will discuss that, okay? Which company did you take, Bhavna?
Reliance.
Reliance. And what about
Your
Nirmala? Which company did you take for your assignment? Your video is stuck.
your voice is also breaking.
My voice. Nirmala, which company did you take for your assignment? Coca-Cola. Okay. Fine. So what were your findings? Who wants to go first? I'll go through your assignment, but I want to hear it out from you.
I did the case study of employee engagement.
Yes.
And I found out that
Hmm.
engaged employee can increase a productivity of the company.
Okay.
Coca-Cola take many initiative for this, like 5 team, 1 goal.
Okay. 5 team, 1 goal.
They
Okay.
segregate the teams in 5 different teams, and they work as per their
Okay.
work. The work has been assigned differently to the different teams.
Okay. And these teams, they work for different, they are different departments, have different functions. Okay, so 5 teams, 1 goal. That is productivity of the company. Is that what you mean? Okay. So have you listed down like what is the impact of employee engagement on the productivity? Have you listed it down? You can refer to your assignment if you want. Do you have it in front of you?
Yes.
Yeah. Why I want you to do it in this session is because, when we are discussing it in front of all of us, okay, so even Bhavna can hear it out and, we can understand the concept of the companies that you've taken so that it is helpful for us because the assignment is sent only to me, right? So only I can go through. But if you share your knowledge and what your findings with Bhavna also, she will also get to know more about the employee engagement activities, right? And same goes with Bhavna. So whatever she's found out, if she shares with all of us, then we'll also have some inputs on what should be done and what other companies are doing. Okay. So if you have it in front of you, then you can just refer and then we will discuss.
Okay, I have written here 5 team, 1 goal, employee engagement at Coca-Cola.
Okay.
Company has set up 5 teams to engage its employee. Each team have their different activities that have positive effect on staff also.
Okay. So
Number
both of
one,
you, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry to interrupt you. So both of you, I want you to do it in this way. First, we will discuss what are the employee engagement activities they are doing, initiatives. Okay, one. Okay. And second, what is the impact? So we all understand increase the productivity, but other than that, if there is anything that you've made notes of, then that we will discuss. Okay. First, tell me more about the company. You would have studied about the company, right? What is Coca-Cola? Where it is based out of? Yeah. So tell us more about the company.
Coca-Cola was founded in 1892. Coca-Cola franchise is the world's biggest beverage industry. The Coca-Cola company has interested in manufacturing, retailing, and marketing of non-alcoholic beverages. Actually, Coca-Cola invented in the year 1886. Coca-Cola company. Example of their products are Coke, Sprite, etc. Written here their mission, vision also, mission, vision, and value.
Good.
Mission of Coca-Cola is their mission is to refresh the world in mind, body, and spirit to inspire movement of optimism and happiness through their brand's action and to create value and make a difference.
Okay.
Their value, their vision and objective are be a great place to work when people are inspired to be the best they can and be highly effective, lean and fast-moving organization.
Okay. So Coca-Cola is one company which is specifying on human resource, right? So they want to give high importance to employees. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Their value are leadership, the courage to set a better future, integrity, be real, and quality. What they do well.
Okay. Okay. Fine. And what about the engagement activities? So you guys could make out the difference between mission and vision. Were you able to
Yes.
make out? Okay. So vision is more of a long-term kind of a goal for the company, right? Yeah. This is
Yes.
where they want to be in the coming
Mission of-
years. Yeah. But mission is, it can change. Mission can change. So depending on the products or whatever they're introducing in the company, that can change. So momentary, what is important to them, that can change. Okay. And values is how they want to drive the organization. So it is telling the people that this is what matters to us and we all have to work in the same way. Okay. Fine. Good. Okay, let's move on to the employee engagement activities that they're doing.
Activity they are doing well, that I already said 5 team 1 goal, that initiative they take. Like fun at work team. This team on the concept of open happiness. Its activity revolve around everything other than work, like festivals, celebration, birthday, holidays, and special days.
Okay. So can you elaborate? I'm sorry to interrupt. Can you elaborate more on that 5 team 1 goal? We understand that there are 5 different teams, but 1 goal. So how can you elaborate more on that? What have you understood from that? Like how is that an employee engagement activity? Because reaching one high productivity of the company is understood by everyone, right? But dividing it into 5 teams, 1 goal, how is that helping us in performance engagement, in employee engagement?
It connects the employee to staff that make them happy and give them relaxation. If this happens, then every employee will be interested in their work. If they are happy, then they can give the organization more productivity by doing their best in their work.
Okay. Still, I'm not clear on why 5 different teams and 1 goal. I still do not get it. I understand why we are doing employee engagement. You're explaining me that, but you said no, 5 teams, 1 goal. Why 5? There could be different teams also. Anyways, you can check on this and get back to us, not a problem. If you don't have the answer right now. Okay. So, okay, one is that 5 teams, one goal, then different celebrations. Okay. And any other thing?
Live positively team. This team includes in activity related to health and wellness of the employees. This team have everything to do, not just the physical health of workers, but also their diet. It also educates the employee on the ingredients that go into making the product offered by company and similar companies.
Okay. Fine. So, any other thing? Don't read it out. I want you to explain it to us. Okay. So, just refer to the point and explain it in your own words.
Safety team.
Okay.
This team makes employee aware of the way to remain safe, not just at work, but also
Outside,
at home.
at home.
It trains them to react appropriately in case of emergencies and all.
Okay. Safety team.
Learn and lead team.
Okay. What does this team do?
This team is dedicated to overall development of employees, providing them knowledge of tasks beyond what they used to performing daily.
What they used to perform in?
Daily basis.
Daily basis. Okay.
It helps them to develop professionally.
Okay. Okay. So it's like developing their skills.
Yes.
Okay.
The company has various other novel employee engagement program in place. It blocks called On Bottle allow its employee to share their pleasant experience outside of work.
Okay. Fine. You go
This
through it first. Nirmala, you go through it first and then you will tell us. I don't want you to read it out. Okay. First, you go through it. You arrange it in that way. What are the engagement activities and how it has impacted the employee's performance? Fine. Don't read it out to me. I was hoping you understood and then you will talk about it. Okay. Fine. Till then, Bhavna, we will continue with you. Nirmala, I'll come back to you. Okay. So just first understand yourself and then you explain it to us. Okay. Okay, Bhavna, tell me what are your findings about Reliance?
First, I gave the introduction mentioning about the company. Reliance is one of the biggest private company in India, and it was founded by Dhirubhai Ambani in the year 1966. And he started the company as a small texture manufacturer, and today it is a there are multiple companies associated with Reliance today, and they have maximum number of employees, and they are the one who pays the highest income tax in the present scenario when it comes in the number of private sectors. And this as I said, like today Reliance is not only a particular one company, but it has many companies. So the companies they have are departmental stores, clothing shops, specialty shops, grocery goods, drug shops, home furniture shops, automobile outlets, and so many other companies are there. That is only of Reliance. So that makes Reliance the biggest company in India.
Okay.
And after that, I've written about employee engagement. as we all know, employee engagement is very important for the company because it builds a good relationship between the organization and the employee so that the company can work smoothly, and the employee will also feel that they are involved in it. They will have a healthy relationship, and they will feel that their company is as if that's their company because they are working as a member of it and they are being valued. Their voice have been valued, their opinions are listened, and if their opinions are good enough, then they are implemented as well. So all this makes the employee feel uh, good, and this creates it creates a good mental state in every individual, and this increases the productivity, and the employee starts working in their assigned work, uh, giving their 100% and ma- uh, try to make the work even better because because of the help of employee engagement, they will feel that if they work properly, then the outcome would be better. It's not only for them or only for the company, but overall it will be beneficial for both. Because if the growth of the company is in a better way, then that will definitely mm, make the employee grow as well. So after that, I've done they have the case study that I've gone through of this Reliance. They have done some research methodologies. They have mentioned about scope of the study, need of the study, and they've mentioned the same thing about the employee engagement, the importance of it, that how they should be involved, why should they be involved, whatever is known about the employee engagement. The main and the important thing is like to building a good relationship so that the employees also work giving their 100%, and they are not only doing for the company only, because if the company grows and if they are benefited, then definitely they would work uh, more than expected, giving even more than 100% if it's possible. So
So,
after that,
what are the activities that they're doing, and like in reality, okay? So we all know that how employee engagement. If we have employee engagement and if we involve the employees, what are the outcomes? But in reality, what are they actually doing? So, what are the activities and how it has impacted? So, have you done that research?
uh, in the case study, they had not written about all those. They have just given the methods
Mhm.
and the data analysis that done the research. There were pie charts also, but pie chart and data was same, but so I have only included data. Like they have done the survey putting gender of responses, keeping male and female, and then occupation responses. Like these were the surveys done by them. So I've given the tables and the numbers and the interpretation
Okay.
that
So
I've given.
what activities are they doing? Like they would have given any learning and development activities, or any other activities, fun activities. So they've not mentioned anything like
It was not mentioned there.
that. Okay, so you should have taken some other company because
I had taken Starbucks, but I could not after downloading after going through the Starbucks. They had written employee engagement also, case study on employee engagement, but there were no such materials there. Then I switched to another company, and eventually I landed on the Reliance, and this is what I got.
for us it is more important, like as HRs. Okay, I wanted you to do this case study to understand what are the best practices that one of the that few of the good companies are doing, so that it helps us in future. Okay, so I wanted you to understand what are the activities and how it has helped, because if we do this case study, then it might help us in future, right? We might implement all these activities, and then check for ourselves, okay, it helps us or not, because we become the process owners, right, of employee engagement. Though it is not our sole responsibility, we understood that there are four other people or four other departments or functions involved in engaging employees, but we become the process owners of engaging them, right? So we need to understand what are the practices that some of the best companies are doing in order to help them perform better. Okay, so it's not like we should do this, we should do that, but in reality, what are they doing? So take some other company which talks about what engagement activities they are doing, and try to understand how it is impacting the performance. So that is the main idea about this case study. Okay, fine, Bhavna. Okay, so they've
Okay.
not, I'm sure they've not given this thing also, na? How, just give me a minute.
I'll separate.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
No,
The-
I was saying in
Mm,
the case studies, I
mm,
could not find whatever you said right now. So
mhm.
I'll separately Google and see if I find any materials. Then I'll again redo this assignment, putting those points that you have mentioned. If I don't find, then I'll switch to another company. Okay.
Yeah, because you should understand the intention behind it. Okay, so it should help us in some way, right? So
The
it
case
should help.
studies I did not find, so I'll Google it separately and find. If
Okay,
I get, then fine. Otherwise, I'll switch to another company.
yeah. So you should
Okay.
learn something from the case studies. What I'm trying to say. Okay. So you should at least know that, okay, what are the activities that they're doing and how it is impacting the performance of the employees. So the number of companies, if you have to do like 5, 6 companies also, if you have to go through, it's good, right? Because you'll keep learning, you'll keep searching, you'll keep learning, right? You'll find new things, you'll find things that some companies are doing and some companies are not doing. Because employee engagement is one thing which is very much in, it's very popular and very much in demand. I was hired only for employee engagement in one company, just to do employee engagement. Okay, so this is how important it is for companies. Okay, so that is why I'm telling you. Fine. So not a problem. Whatever you found out, that is also good enough. Okay, that's not bad. But like I told you, just try to find out what they do. Otherwise, whatever findings you've done, it's good. I'm impressed by the way you've tried to understand the company, what they do, right? And how, what importance they're giving. So now you know what Reliance focuses on. It focuses on more of involving the employees, trying to engage them, trying to be very transparent with the employees, right? So now you have a realistic view. Like now you can connect with whatever we've been talking in presentations. In slides, I've been telling you, involving people, being transparent. Now you know that companies are actually doing that and how it helps the employees perform well, right? So this is also great learning in itself. Okay, now try to dig deeper and find out what do they actually do, because many companies, I told you, no, they just think birthday celebrations and taking them out for trips, these are only employee engagement things. But this, it's not so. What we've learned is like a 360-degree engagement from everybody. So if we can find out in reality if the best performing companies are doing that, then it is good for us. We can implement that, right? When you start working as an HR, if you do that, just imagine how well you're going to be appreciated in the company, right? So that is the thing. Okay, that is why I have given you this case study. Okay, so we can discuss on that tomorrow. Try to find it out today. Nirmala, I'm coming back to you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, start.
Coca-Cola have 7 lakh associates across the world.
Okay.
Coca-Cola ensure that employees are not ever feel lost or undervalued or bored. Employee engagement is top priority for any beverage company like Coca-Cola.
Mhm.
Coca-Cola allows its employees to share their experience outside of work. This practice was started by Coca-Cola company only.
Okay.
The company believes that employee voice should be heard, their ideas should be considered and taken into actions.
I really like their vision, Coca-Cola's vision, no? The way they have given so much of importance on human resource. I really like that thing. So Bhavna, you also try to find out on what their mission, vision is and what are their values, whichever company you go for. Okay, fine. Okay, continue, Nirmala.
Coca-Cola take many initiatives to encourage their employees
Hmm.
to work for the organization. Like fun at work, they have separate teams for work, like fun at work team.
Hmm.
This
So
team work,
the 5 teams that you're talking about is this, right?
yes,
Yeah, so that is why I wanted to understand. One is the safety thing, fun and fun activities, 5 teams, one goal. Okay, tell me,
yes.
I'll count. Yeah.
Fun at work team.
Hmm.
This team concerned with the happiness of the employee. Like except work, they are focused on their happiness, like celebrations,
Hmm.
birthday, holidays, and special days.
Yeah.
It connects the employees to staff, make them happy, and give them a relaxation. Second one is live positively team.
Okay.
This team normally concerned about the health and wellness of the employees, health and wellness of the employee of the company, not physically, only not physically, but also they they cares about employees' diet and all.
Mm-hmm.
They mentioned one safety team.
Mm-hmm.
The team cares about employee safety
At work.
and how safety to their work, yes. And it teaches us them to how to react in case of emergencies and all. Learn and lead team. This team sees the overall growth of the employees and more focuses on the organization goals and objectives.
Okay.
This
That's all?
much.
Okay. So in turn, have they given any result? What is the impact of all these? Have they given any results, any study?
I found out that it increases when employees are engaged in the company fully. It increases the company's productivities, and customer is also satisfied. Main thing is company's productivity is increases by certain percentage when employees are engaged fully in the company.
Okay. Fine. So employees are happy, productivity increases, and in turn, what happens? The customers are happy, right? Fine. So very good. Both of you have made a nice attempt in finding out. Okay. And still you can continue your research if you're interested in this topic. Okay. And all these committees or teams that you spoke about, the fifth one you left out. I don't know which one was that. Fifth one more team you've left out. You spoke at Fun at Work, Live Positively. Sorry?
I talked about 5 teams.
Yeah. So 5 teams, you just mentioned 4. And the one that you were talking about, no, 5 teams, 1 goal, they are saying, sorry?
Worship team.
Worship team.
Worship. WARDSHIP. STEWARDSHIP.
What?
Worship.
Okay, spell it out again.
STEWARDSHIP. Worship.
Okay, what does that team do?
This team is dedicated to give back and highlight the facts that Coke cares.
Okay. Okay. Maybe it's for rewards and recognition, something like that. Okay, fine. Fine, I will check it out in your thing. Okay, so you can understand how dividing into different teams. So can you relate dividing into teams? We discussed on transferring the responsibilities, right, to different teams. One is to the management, one is to the manager, then it's the HR, and fourth is to the employees themselves. Do you remember? So what is
Yes.
Coca-Cola doing? Coca-Cola is giving it back to the employees only for engaging people. So by dividing into 5 teams, obviously these are committees, right? And these committees involve whom? It's the employees only. So the employees are going to think what we need to do in order to engage other employees. So are you being able to relate what we discussed? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So employees themselves are deciding on what activities to do. Suppose Fun at Work. So they're going to decide on what activities should we do in order to engage them, make them happy, or anything which is out of work. And Live Positively, they are going to discuss more on, they're going to think on how to make them healthy, what kind of training to give them in terms of health and safety, right? And other safety team. So, the safety team is continuously engaging themselves in understanding how to keep the employees safe at work, right? So it's the employees only. But who is doing it? We are driving it as an HR. We have to ensure that these committees are active all the time. They are planning on activities and something is happening in the company. But who is doing it? The employees themselves. Fine. So this is one of the practice which most of the companies are doing right now. So in my last company also we had these committees, sports and culture and this and that. So there were many committees. So employees used to come, sit for a meeting, okay, once in a while and decide on activities and then go and plan it. They used to plan and then execute it with the rest of the members of the company. So what happens? The employees are always engaged. Okay, they look forward to certain other things rather than working. So it becomes so mundane and so boring, no? Like you just go to office, just work, and come back. But if there are other activities also that are, planned, then what happens? You have something else also to look forward to. So most of the people, they live in the office only. Okay, so for people who are staying away from home, what happens is, they engage themselves in other activities and planning and this and that. So after work also they stay back and do all these activities. So they are involved, they are so engrossed in the company, right? They feel a part of the company. So this is the main intention. So you guys are getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay, good. Fine. So we will wait for Bhavna's study tomorrow. We will again discuss on this. Okay. Now let me quickly introduce succession planning to you. You guys have breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bhavna?
I'll have after the session.
Huh?
I'll have after the session.
You'll have after the session.
I need to leave for the office. That's why I did it already.
Okay. Do you think I can become a good teacher?
Absolutely.
Because teaching was never my thing, but with training, Okay, so we try to finish as much as possible. Okay. I have few slides around 15. So let me see how much we can finish. I'll just introduce the concept to you at least. Okay. So succession planning is again one of the strategic part of HR. Now you are able to distinguish between strategic and this thing, no? Transactional.
Transition.
Are you able to distinguish?
Yes.
Can you see the screen?
Not yet.
Not yet. Yes, now we can.
Yes.
Fine. So succession planning. Okay. So what is succession planning? In general, I have told you guys what is succession planning. I've told you guys before, no? So do you remember what is succession planning? Just in brief, in simple words.
When someone in
Mm-hmm.
if a manager is leaving, or if manager is going for a leave, then who will be the next, who will be able to take his place, or be there unless and until he returns back.
So who is the next in the pipeline? Right. Nirmala, do you have the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let us see how we